In the previous tutorial, /posts/go tutorial error patterns / you learned advanced error handling patterns. Now it is time to build something real, an HTTP server. Let's break it down. HTTP methods and status codes. Check the HTTP method to handle different request types. Use constants for HTTP methods and status codes. Go 1.22 plus routing patterns. Go 1.22 added built-in routing patterns with HTTP method matching and path parameters. No external router needed. Test it. The VID syntax creates a path parameter. Read it with our.pathValue ID. Query parameters. Read query parameters from the URL. Test it. JSON responses. Most APIs return JSON. Use encoding/JSON to convert Go structs to JSON. Test it. Struct tags control JSON field names. JSON name field appears as name in JSON. JSON name omit empty field is omitted if empty. JSON dash field is never included in JSON. Reading JSON request body. Use JSON.NuDecoder to parse JSON from the request body. Test it. Static file serving. Serve static files, HTML, CSS, images, from a directory. Files in /static/ are served at static. For example, /static/style.css is available at http://localhost 8080/static/style.css. A complete REST API example. Here is a complete in-memory CRUD API for notes. Test it. This API is thread-safe thanks to sync.rw in the store. Multiple routines, HTTP requests, can read notes at the same time, but writes are serialized. Common mistakes. 1. Forgetting to set content type for JSON responses.